Xin chào các bạn học sinh. Tôi là Tom, hiệu trưởng Victoria School. Victoria School offers a bilingual educational program. We have the MOET, Ministry of Education and Training program, taught in Vietnamese. We also offer the Cambridge International program. This is designed so our students have opportunities to study both at Vietnamese universities and also international universities around the world and also here in Vietnam. Victoria Schools has developed a unique teaching and learning framework to ensure that students have access to a range of high-impact teaching strategies. Our teachers ensure that Victorian students have ways to develop their learning in a fun and interesting environment. We make sure that they're able to apply these skills to real-world settings, so what they're learning in the classroom makes connections to the real world. At Victoria School, we create learning communities where students can experience success. We ensure that there is balance between the academic curriculum, their well-being, and also by extracurricular activities. We've got a fun year planned for our students, and we're excited to share these activities to the community. At Victoria School, we are looking forward to a successful and productive year ahead. Our students will have access to a range of academic supports to ensure we get the best out of them in their learning programs. We also have access to wellbeing house and emotional supports through our Happy Schools program. This school year, we are also introducing technology as part of a curriculum in a new AI subject. We're looking forward to the advancement this will come, and our students will be at the forefront of being able to apply these skills into an academic program.